What it do, gang? Back at it again, man, with another video. If you're just now tuned in, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn the bell on at the top. That way you get notified every single time I drop a video, man. As y'all can see right there, man, y'all see I'm at Solo Motorsports, Atlanta, GA, man. You know, dog, this is like the home of German engineered performance, man. They work on everything from Audis to Volkswagens, BMWs, Mercedes, Volvo. Man, they got Hellcats back there. They got Porsche. Man, they got so much stuff, man. It's a lot of cars around there, man. But you know, I dropped the car off because the downpipes I showed y'all in the last video, they're gonna be the ones that install them for me. So that's what I'm doing here, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them do their thing, and I'm gonna just check out the shop, see what else they got back here, man. So let's go. I'm up here at Solo Motorsports, the downtown Atlanta location. What's the address, man?
252 Northside Drive.
252 Northside Drive, man. What's your name, bro?
Henry.
Henry, man. Look, man, I called them yesterday. I said, listen, I'm coming from Alabama. I need these downpipes put on, and this was like, you know, they got like 8, 9 different locations, man. But of course, I picked this one because it's downtown Atlanta, man. So it was closest to me, and I got up early this morning. But they told me, they said, hey, man, you know what? No worries. You come up here, you be here first thing in the morning when we open. It's you know, we'll take care of you, so that way you ain't got to drop your car off and stay overnight. We can get it knocked out for you, man. So definitely appreciate them guys, man, looking out for me. Y'all need any work done, if you got any German, they work on everything from, like I said, BMWs, Porsche, Volkswagen, Audi, man, Mercedes, whatever. I seen a lot of cars out there. Actually, he told me about some else in the back, so probably gonna go, you know, see if I can sneak on back there and see what that's talking about. But yeah, man, y'all come on down here, man. Tell them Rob sent you, you know. And like I said, they got plenty of locations, man. But I'm down here doing one in Atlanta, 252 Northeast Drive, right?
Northside Drive.
Northside Drive. There we go, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I don't know what I'm gonna see today, so they're gonna get the car going. They already got it back there in the back. They're gonna put the downpipes on for me, and after that, who knows, man. So y'all stay tuned. They got the Audi up in the air, man. As you can see, man, they got plenty of cars back here, man. Volvos, BMWs, everything, man. That's the guy that's working on my car. What's your name one more time, bro? Anthony, man. Shout out to Anthony, man. He get me right over here, man. But this is what I really want to show y'all real quick, man. This is his boosted 5.0, man. Turbo, man. You know I had to show y'all this, man. I forgot to ask him what size it is, man. But dawg, big turbo. You see the intercooler, man. They do everything, man. They do everything. But this is his, man. I need to ask him what size turbo on here, man. But as you can see, they got a freaking, there's a C8 back here, yeah. C8 right here, man. They got, you know, BMWs, Mercedes, Rovers, man. They got everything back here, man. They got a Demon sitting over there. I don't know if I showed y'all this or not. Got a Demon sitting right over here, man. I don't know what they doing to it. They saw me recording it. Got the Demon, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a customer car or it's for sale? Is it a customer car or it's for sale? Customer car, man. Oh, okay, man. Y'all know Demon, man. 305s all the way around, man. I really ain't seen too many Demons around here, man. So it's always cool to see one, man. Always cool to see one, man. So I just had to give the people a little content of what y'all got back here, man. My ride out front waiting on me, man. So I'm finna drop everything off and come back when everything done, man. But you know, I just had to let them see, you know, what y'all do around here, man. Y'all do it all, man. So definitely appreciate y'all again, man. I'm gonna ask them what size turbo that is, man, cause I never did ask him, man. But hold on, let's find out. Anthony, what size turbo that is? 76, man. 76 millimeter, man. So I told him I didn't know what size it was, but I was gonna ask you. Hey, man. Boosie, I'm outside your crib, man. Let me in, Boosie. Hold on. I'm coming up the Boosie crib, man. Hey, Boosie crib big as hell, bro. Boosie, I'm at your crib, man. Let me in, man. That little Boosie crib, man. Hey, that motor so big, bro. God, dog. All right, y'all. Got the car right there, man. The downpipes on. And right now, he just doing an oil change on the car, man. So what I'm finna do is let him finish the oil change, and then I'm gonna get a cold start of the car with the downpipes on. So when that happens, I'll turn the camera back on, bro. But that's all you're doing right now, man. Just changing the oil, doing all like that. These are the stock cats, man. These joints are huge. That's crazy. All right, gang. So, damn, I ain't know these joints were this big, bro. Jesus Christ. All right, well, they off now, so. All right. So, when he done with the oil change, man, I turn the camera back on. All right, gang. So, he done with the oil change. And finna get that cold start, man. Let's see what these downpipes sound like. That more definitely sound better, dog. Yes, sir. Let me get this wrapped up real quick, gang. I'll be right back with y'all, man. Man, the car is done, bro. Woo! Yes, sir. Man, dog. She sounds amazing, man. Sounds amazing, bro. Shout out to the guys over at Solo Motorsports, man. Anthony, appreciate you, my guy. He wrapping up with a customer right now, man, getting a quote. I'm gonna go in there and get everything squared up, man. I had to get this though, man. Let me get a little thumbnail, another one, man. Yes. So, man, he just asked me, have I heard this Porsche? It's a Porsche they got. And apparently, man, he said it sounds ridiculous. So I'm about to see what this thing sound like, man. Now I'm interested.
Just put the motor in this one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you blew a hole out the top of the
No, he had been running pretty hard. You can tell it's fresh. It's fresh. Is this a 911 turbo? You can hear it, you can hear it. You can hear him, bro. Yeah, you can hear it, yeah. What kind of gas in there? I figured, man. Yeah, bro, you hear them turbos. You hear them turbos good.
They showed you the Demon?
Yeah, I seen a Demon out there, man.
Those are rare.
Yeah, I just same thing I said.
3,300 of them.
And I know if you want to buy one now, bro, they taxing. Well, y'all do everything.
Yeah. I put this motor in the MC35 yesterday, or 2 days ago.
Damn. Yes, sir. Dog, now I ain't seen one of these trucks in, it been a minute, bro. Hey, these things get down though, bro. Original V10 in it. But I know this a gym. Like if you a car guy, you see one of these, bro, you know this a gym.
Oh, yeah.
You cannot, everything working there?
Yeah.
Or,
yeah, I don't got the keys.
oh, okay. You know I was finna say what that joint sounded. Oh, what the I didn't even see this right here.
CLA?
Yeah.
It's got blown turbo.
Well, y'all got some stuff back here.
Yeah, he's getting 2 big turbos.
I see you got DME tuning on it. Bro, y'all got some heat up in here, man. All right, guys, so back in the car, man. I'm still sitting in the parking lot in Solo Motorsports, man. Just looking at everything, make sure everything good to go, man. Doing some last minute stuff. But I'm finna get ready to take the car back home, man. Everything turned out great, bro. I freaking love this, bro. The German engineering, where is that, bro? And shout out to the guys at Solo Motorsports, man. Took real good care of me today. Got me in and out. I came out. I called them the day before. I told them, I said, hey, man, I'm coming all the way from Alabama. I can be at y'all door first thing in the morning when y'all open the shop, man. So he was like, hey, man, yeah, that's cool. Come on, man. We'll take care of you. I was here at 8 o'clock, man. By 8:15, 8:20, they already had me in the back getting started, man. So definitely shouts out to them guys, man. But the car sound amazing. I'm finna see how it feels as far as, like, you know, driving wise, man. But, you know, I might just make that another video. You know, I ain't gonna put too much in one video, man. Let me go ahead and finish wrapping up what I'm doing right here, and then I'm gonna crank the car up, and we gonna ride, man. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, bro, I know y'all hear that. I know y'all hear that, bro. That jump, the freaking, the cracks sound, the crackle and pops, bro. They sound louder. They definitely sound louder. Ooh, hey, that exhausted, bro. Hey, that music screaming. Definitely sound better. Definitely. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. So I can't. I'm gonna make a separate video, bro, of stuff like this. But yeah, oh man, dog. These downpipes, man, and I can tell just like the performance-wise, I can feel the difference. So I'm gonna make a video of my, you know what I'm saying, my thoughts and my matter of fact, this is my turn. Everything I do to the car as far as, like, you know, the rails, the startups, the drives, crackling and pops, everything like that, man. I'm gonna make a separate video like that, but yeah, meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and take it back to the crib, man. So if you haven't done so already, man, subscribe to the channel. You know, hit the link in the bio. Hey, subscribe to my IG, man. Hey, this is more screaming, bro. Subscribe to my IG, man. Big Rod TV, man. That's all my socials, man. You feel what I'm saying? Go ahead and show the kids some love. And subscribe to everything. Follow me on everything. All my socials are the same. Yeah. Next video coming up is gonna be, you know, rail startups, flybys, all that junk. This is insane, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Follow your boy, man. We out here, man. You feel me?